Right now, we're seeing a notable shift in climate sentiment with a score of plus 0.011, which, while subtle, indicates a rare uptick in positive discourse around climate issues. What stands out is the momentum holding steady at plus 0.000. This stagnation could suggest a tipping point, where sentiment may be on the verge of breaking into more significant territory. Our Climate Sentiment API returns a structured analysis of these shifts, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters that help you understand the nuances of public opinion. Imagine leveraging this data in your application to predict which climate initiatives might gain traction based on emerging sentiment, perfect for proactive engagement strategies. Dive deeper into this insight and others at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.